guys, we are at Spectator Drags. We are about to go ahead and do our parade lap. We got about 30 to 34 cars here, so it's a lot lighter than what we were initially expecting. So that means it's going to be not as many rounds, unfortunately. But I'm super excited. This is going to be fun. We got the AMG C43S. We got the C8 Corvette with Matt. We've got a McLaren 570S. We've got a ZL1 1LE, and we've got me. So definitely, there's also a GTR out here. There's some CTSVs, some other twin turbo all-wheel drive cars here. Looks like I'm going against this Audi S3 in my first round. It's apparently APR stage 2 tune, so we'll see. He'll probably get us off the line for sure with that all-wheel drive, but hopefully we can carry more speed in those corners. But yep, we're about to head out there. Wish me luck, guys. Well, just went around. We can definitely carry some speed in those corners, so whew, here we go. Oh, I guess they're doing another parade lap or something. We're getting 2 parade laps. Whew. Oh man, I'm excited. Oh. Good. All right, let's rock and roll.
I think we have a GT500 paired with a Nissan GTR, first round. Ooh. That's a brand new GT500. Is that the 500? That's it? I know there's a GT350 out here too. I don't want to mix it up.
Who's your money on?
I have to go with the GTR. The GTR's got to have this, right? It can launch. Brand new GT500 versus a 2009 GTR. Versus a 2009 GTR.
All right, that's Anthony Barranco, car number 21 in the Shelby GT350. He's a Marine Corps sergeant from Hilliard, Ohio.
James gets the jump in the... again. Might be a little scared to take him to the wall.
Dude,
there,
the
Cleetus.
Mustang just out handling him. Wow.
Should have picked a Ford.
Let's hear it for the Mustang. Come on. Come on. I'm impressed. I am impressed.
Cleetus, again, that's Anthony Barranco. He's a Marine Corps sergeant from Ohio coming out here and doing the competitor drags. That's awesome.
100%.
Guys, car gods were looking out for me. Took out the GTR first round. Woo! Holy shit. That was intense. That was intense. Oh my God. Man, Charlotte, I love you. All I can say is the driver mod was in full effect that first round, so let's see if we can take home the second.
All right, who's your money on? The 350.
That is Anthony Barranco, car number 21, or car number 8.
Devin Rios.
I'm still going to go with the 350 here.
That's Devin.
He's still going to send it, though. Is the Mustang going to get close? Wow. Close, but a re-rack.
Yeah, they got to restart. Blue card jump. Man,
So
the
the
Mustang's definitely got an advantage here. He almost caught him even with the jump.
So the Audi S3 of Devin Rios jumped the light, or jumped the flag, so we will bring them back. That is null and void in regards to that battle.
Those Audis, they launch hard. A buddy of mine had an S3. They rip hard out of the hole. They will run. But I'm still going to stick with the American Muscle here. I got that GT350.
That Mustang can carry a lot of cornering speed.
Ooh, coming in high. About 4 cars there.
So that's only round 1 because we had to do the restart. So they got to run it again. Best 2 out of 3.
Yeah, you can see the attitude of that Shelby GT350, just the front left corner really diving in, as opposed to that Audi. You see the attitude of that vehicle sits a little higher. So I think that GT350, as you said, Cleetus, has a major advantage. I think he just said he'll give you the keys, and you could race it now. I think that's what he said. No?
And again, Marine Corps Sergeant Anthony.
He's about to take home that win.
Boom! Anthony
Most like the
Barranco,
Mustang.
Marine Corps Sergeant from Hilliard, Ohio, in that 2016 Ford Shelby GT350 gets the win. Cleetus, you called it, man. You called it.
He's moving on, dude. We're gonna have a really good competition in round 3. Really close cars. I'm excited.
Won the second round. It was best 2 out of 3. We were going against an Audi S3. He got inside line first. He beat me. Second round, I got inside line. I beat him, and then the third round, it was on. I started to lose some grip, but man, this car it grips for days. The handling in this thing is insane. If you don't have a GT350, you need to get one. Woo! Guys, so we just did the math. I'm going against Matt in the C8 in the next round. Best 2 out of 3. He won the whole thing last time, so nervous, but at the same time, that GTR round was a huge confidence builder. I think we can take him. We're gonna take him. Matt, I'm coming for you.
C8's got that lower line. The GT350 definitely needs
guys, as you'll see in the footage, we lost that third round against Matt in the C8. We had the inside line on the first run and I missed the first to second shift, and once he got in front of me I couldn't catch up, and then we had that outside line, which is definitely the one to not have unless you're significantly faster in the corners. So he beat us 2 out of 3. It's over for us, but we still got 2 guns in the fight. So come on, Matt, come on, Swiss Roll, bring it home. All right, and lastly, big shout out to all the brands that we were out here representing. Forged Line Wheels, Archetype Racing, we've also got their oil balancing lines installed. These Forged Line wheels, super light, no flex around the track. We were able to take corners a lot faster than most of the other cars out here. We're with the crew representing GT Rally. Paddock 1, we see you. And then we got some on the helmet. We got We Are Auto, sent us this decal right before the event. Amsoil, best synthetic oil on the market. Again, R-Type Racing, Ford Performance, and Running for Heroes. If you support our law enforcement, if you support our firefighters, check out runningforheroes.com and make a contribution to support what they represent. Thanks everyone, we'll be back. It's over, Matt ended up taking home second. What a day, what an adrenaline rush. We'll be back again. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.